Getting ready to start our journey. Ms. West Bay in the pink kayak, trying to figure out how to button up the life jacket. We got a pretty big lake here today. This is just one of the bays. If you see where it looks close and then far away, where it looks dark and then lighter further back, there's a main lake out there. We're just on one of the bays. I don't know how far we're gonna go. Say hi, Carrie. It's her channel, so we'll show her for a second here.
Fun.
However, I am going to put you in my pocket for a minute. We'll get back at this here in a little while.